I'm going to be talking about a recent news story where a $350,000 Bored Ape NFT was sold for $115 and whether or not it was a scam. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. Bored Ape number 835 was sold for just $115 today, March 29, 2022. And because DAI is a dollar-pegged stablecoin, this represents only $115. However, the Ethereum NFT project's most popular and valuable collection is one of the most prominent and desirable collections on the market, with the cheapest available Bored Ape listed at 106.8 ETH, or about $358,000. The previous owner, nicknamed Sichan, accepted a 115 DAI offer for Bored Ape Yacht Club number 835 yesterday, according to data from the NFT marketplace OpenSea. That's 99.9% less than the current floor price, which is the lowest price available to purchase one of the most popular NFT bundle. What adds to the oddity of this transaction is that the seller also sold a Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT number 11,670 for 25 DAI, the equivalent of $25 at the same time. That's far less than the floor price or the cheapest available Mutant Ape on any market, which is currently listed at 22.8 ETH, over $76,000. Although it is unclear why the owner would accept such low offers for the popular NFT, it appears to be a mistake, with the owner mistaking DAI for ETH, especially since 3 other high-value bids for the Bored Ape, ranging from 75 to 106 ETH, were not accepted, according to a report in the block Crypto. This NFT sale indicates a significant loss for the owner Sichan, given that the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT was originally purchased for 16 ETH in August 2021. It's also plausible that the seller's account has been compromised. One member of the Bored Ape Yacht Club tweeted that he had contacted NFT owner, who claimed he was unaware of the sales and that he had been hacked. The owner told the block that he was in the process of figuring it out as well. He said that he maintains a high degree of security on his accounts, especially during periods of travel, and would be hard-pressed to call it a hack. The owner went on to say that they were on a trip and hadn't done any trades. Now we'll have to wait and see what actually happened, which will become clearer as the investigation continues. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And as always, feel free to comment below with your thoughts and opinions.